Hello friends, for intraday trading today, I have selected India Bulls Housing Finance. I have got opportunity very late after 12 p.m. So because of that, I am creating this video very late. Maybe it will be delivered to you after the market, but still I am creating this video in the live market. I just exited from my trade and booked the profit. So we will discuss regions, selection, region of selection, analysis, the trade I have taken, result, and the learning lesson that we will learn. So let's move to the first part, regions. First region for selection of India Bull Housing Finance is that dominating pressure in this stock is completely selling. In a larger time frame, you can also see, or you can also go and check that this stock price is dominated by the sellers, and along with that, this stock has created a strong consolidation zone yesterday, and that consolidation zone should be tested by the price today. So these two region, along with that, third region was not matched in the morning. So I was started waiting for the matching of the third region, but still I was bearish on the stock from the very first candle. Even if you can see, this stock has opened gap up, started moving up, but you can clearly see what my patience and skill has told me, that please wait and let the market set up a trade for you. What kind of trade setup I was looking? I was looking for a short trade setup in this stock. So first high was created on 925, second high was created on 945, third high was created on 1020. So all highs are lower highs. First high, second high, third high, and this is the fourth high, fifth high. All these five highs are lower in nature. You can clearly see lower highs are creating even in the strongly up market. What this is showing, and along with that, this consolidation was also getting formed, and in all the candles you can clearly see that upper wick are formed. So price rejections, price rejection, price rejection, price rejections in each and every candle. That means the sellers are in commanding position. Here you can see how much the wick is, upper wick. So how sellers are dominating the price. So these all candles and the formation of this consolidation was given me a kind of confidence, and that you should wait for a short trade setup in this stock. So by what time I should wait? Let's go for that also. See, I'm still looking for a third region. I was actually my two regions had given me clue that go for a short trade in this stock, but my third region is not getting matched. So I was waiting and evaluating the stock price and the chart so that I can get my trade setup that will shoot that previous two regions. So I was waiting for a short trade setup, and this candle has created. Here you can see it has retested this level. What is this level? This level has acted as a support zone. Very first candle move and price again rejected by the sellers, came in this zone, again bounced back, but it was actually unable to move up. Price rejection came and again came for retesting this level. So again price bounced back, retested, bounced back, and retested. So in this candle, 12-15 candle, I was very confident that price uh, will move down in the next 15-20 minutes. So it has started moving down. I thought I missed the opportunity. So I was thinking to skip the trade today, but again price came for retesting. So here I have entered in this stock on triple two by putting stop loss on 223. So 1 rupee stop loss, and I was expecting that price will go till 217. but still it has not gone over there. So 219, 3 rupees, my risk, reward was there. I just exited after 3 p.m. So against 1 rupees, I have booked 3 rupees. So 222 was my cost price, and 219 was my selling price. So this is the result, and on the basis of analysis I have taken trade. And one more, the best setup is also formed over here. Here price was rejected two times. Here also you can clearly see lower highs are created while testing this zone. So this also indicates that this price will move down. And yesterday I have discussed these two. You can clearly what I have told you. Inner candle formation. Yesterday in the in my video I have told you inner candle formation, and after inner candle formation, who has taken the control. So here you can clearly see sellers have taken the control. Now price has been driven down, and you can book the profit and get out of the market. This is what I have done today. So learning lesson from this stock is that you must have patience along with your skill and your confidence that trade will come in your way. So till then you should wait, you have to wait, otherwise market is ready to punish you. If you go against the market or before the market, after the market or before the market, you will be punished, and this punishment will be commercial, I mean economic punishment. So that you should be here. You cannot do anything about that, because put uh, uh, putting a trade is totally in your hand. And so if you put a trade, or if you enter any trade, then result will be actually bear by you only. So this is all about today's trade plan. Thank you guys. Keep watching, keep trading, keep supporting, and most importantly keep learning, because learning will be forever for you, and that will keep you in the market forever. Thank you. Bye.